What is Rainberry? Gabe?
I don't know.
I don't either. But we're gonna find out today. I got this little package in the mail from my buddy Tommy over at the Spray Source. And inside is some bags of Rainberry. I asked him what it is, and he didn't really want to tell me. I asked him what base we can spray it over, and he said we can do pretty much whatever we want. So we're going to discover together what Rainberry is. Oh, okay. Rainberry Subtle Shift Alpha Pearl. Gabe, what's a subtle shift?
I have no idea.
So today we're going to learn two things. What Rainberry Pearl is and what a subtle shift is. Now, because we could pick any base coat, we had here a frozen finish mix of ZTA Hypershift and HKS. We have a beautiful mix here, and we thought Rainberry sounds like a go over to this. So let me show you what Rainberry is. Wait. Are you seeing like a shimmering?
I see like a lavender with a green shimmer.
What is going on here? Okay, yeah, I did not expect to see, it almost has a goldish. Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me, what pigment load do you want to do here?
I say keep it light.
We got to keep it light, especially with a dark, deep base. You want to do like, do you want to go 12 and a half or you want to go like 5 to 10?
I'm leaning more, I would say 10.
Okay, well, I don't have a scale in front of me and this is a 25 gram bag. Should I eyeball it?
Sure.
Yeah, okay, this will go fine. So there's about that much and there's about that much. And this right here is like 10.
Very scientific amount.
Okay. I'm short one mixing stick.
Oh.
Thank you, sir. Okay, let's see how Rainberry mixes. I'm seeing a weird flare. I don't really know what to make of that. It's not just this kind of like deep purpley something. Like what, you see the highlighted flare? What is that?
I see like a silver and a green.
It's not really gold once it gets into the liquid.
No.
Is it possible that this is actually a subtle shift in the sense that it subtly? Sure. Subtly? There's a B in there, right? Like it mildly shifts from a purple to a something?
I have no idea.
Stick of Truth will tell us a little bit more. See, the top here is wait. Wait. How? How, Sway? Wait. That does not match that at all. I'm confused. So we're gonna do this over that.
Yeah.
Okay. This will work out good, right?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Now we came out to really answer two questions. what is Rainberry pearl, and what exactly is a subtle shift? And to be honest, I'm not sure I have an answer for either one. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this project outside, and you're going to take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this color for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And Rainberry seems to be very sensitive to the base color that it's put on top of. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you Rainberry over various different base colors. Take a look at those and also leave a comment. Let me know which one you think looks best, because that may be an idea for a future video. Now, if you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of different kits. All of them are do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I love doing this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.